I'm Avna, and we're starting with step 1, removing that old adhesive the safe and gentle way using GhostBond's adhesive remover. Here's why GhostBond's remover is my absolute favorite. It's completely free of harsh chemicals, alcohol, and citrus acids. It won't dry out or irritate your scalp, which is very important because you don't want to irritate your scalp right before you put another unit back on your scalp. Plus, it's formulated to keep your scalp's natural pH balance intact, which means healthier skin and less buildup over time. Typically, alcohol and citrus-based products are used to clean the glue off your skin, but what you might not know is alcohol and citrus are super strong astringents. What does this mean? Well, it means the natural oils in the skin are absorbed and the pH balance is disturbed. So what happens when your pH levels are off? Your body will produce more oil, which will cause lifting. First, spray GhostBond adhesive remover directly onto the lace or your scalp. Next, you're gonna let it soak in for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps loosen the adhesive without damaging your skin or your wig system. Now, gently pull back the lace or hair system. For lace, start lifting from the edge and spray a bit more remover underneath as you go. For polyurethane systems, start at the front of the hairline and slowly work backward. Finally, grab a paper towel and wipe away any leftover adhesive and remover. It works quickly, doesn't leave a mess, and makes cleanup super easy. Repeat as needed until your scalp is completely clean.